Namaskaram. My name is Nagoji Nagarajan. We are connecting from IIT Madras on Vidyashakti program. Hope my voice is audible. My video is clear. If so, can you please raise your hands? There's a raise hand symbol. Can you please raise if everything is clear? Great. Great. Excellent. 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 Let us start. I'll be talking in simple, plain, slow English. Welcome to this AI literacy program. It's a very important program, and this is one of its kind. We thank the Education Department of Andhra Pradesh, Samagra Shiksha for Andhra Pradesh, and all the state education department officials for making this happen. This is the first time that such a large scale AI literacy program is being conducted for the government school teachers, especially in online mode. IIT Madras thanks everyone on this initiative. I will first give a brief about this. A lot of people are joining actually. So I'll wait for a few more minutes before I start actually presenting my screens. Before we start, I will ask you the question. How many of you use Gemini or ChatGPT? You can either raise your hands or in the chat, you can type yes, or the tool you use. Okay, 4 hands. I could see 4 or 5 hands. Yeah, good. I could see almost 11, 12 hands. Okay, out of a lot of people, only maybe large number of people are not raising the hands, it seems. But nevertheless, AI is here. Artificial intelligence is right here. And it is like a tsunami. What happens is technologies keep coming. New tools keep coming. They're all for the betterment or improvement only. Because of tractors, agriculture improved. Because of fan, electric motor, so many things improved. Because of automobile, travel industry, tourism improved. So the new inventions, new tools are always for improvement only. AI is one such tool. Only thing is we need to be careful with that, how to use it. Because in motorbike or anything mechanical industry, any tools come, there is some impact. There's a physical impact. Whereas in software, everything is running in the computer or in the internet. We don't see that. So the impact is less. AI is a phenomenal thing that we have got. I will ask you another question. People who have used ChatGPT or Gemini, 3 years before the way ChatGPT was answering, and now it is answering. Do you see improvement in ChatGPT or Gemini? 3 years before to now, do you see that it has improved? Yeah, many people are raising the hands. That is good. This is one important point. We need to look at it. Now let us get into the real AI literacy part. I think a lot of people are joining. I could see more than 100, 120. A lot more people are still coming. Fine, let them come. Anyway, the recording will also be available in our Vidyashakti channel. AI is here. If you go to YouTube, you search for one video, maybe for next day or day after, it will start suggesting things to you. AI use there. In a bank, if your withdrawal pattern is maybe say 5,000 rupees a week, and suddenly within a day you try to withdraw 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000, you will get a phone call, automated phone call from the bank. These are all simple risk management systems or fraud management systems. Your pattern is something, whereas you are slightly away from that pattern of withdrawal, that AI is also used. And most of us will be using Google Maps, shortest path, traffic warnings, and then weather predictions, whether tomorrow it will rain or not. Everywhere AI is used in one way or the other. Stock market predictions. So it is there. It is there for the last 5-6 years. But why now? Why now? Now you are seeing something called Gen AI, especially in the last 2 years, huge improvement in Gen AI, generative AI, where I'm able to generate letters, I'm able to generate documents, images, brochures, whatnot. So this is something new. So we are all already in AI. I'm glad many of you are already using AI. Now, in this session, we are not going to teach any subject. We are going to introduce some tools. We are going to talk about how to efficiently use AI tools. Just a brief introduction. I'm Nagoji Nagarajan. I'm a computer science graduate. I have got 34 years of experience. I have been teaching software testing, data analytics, and I am a Swayam Plus faculty for AI for physics and AI for chemistry. Today, I am trying to get into this subject to school teachers is education is core. School education is the most important thing for our country. If by any chance, if you are able to engage teachers in a better way, help teachers in a better way, make their job easy for our teachers, because India has got 1 crore teachers. If we can make them happy by giving these tools, it will be great. That is what IIT Madras wants. In IIT Madras, we have got a center of excellence, AI center of excellence for education. This unit is very specifically called Bodhan AI, and this is a Ministry of Education sponsored project, which is the AI Center of Excellence. We want to create tools. We want to help Indian education system in a very, very big way. That is why we are here. Now, ChatGPT, Gemini, Gmail, YouTube, DeepSeek, they are all foreign software. One of the initiatives by Indian government is to have indigenous or sovereign India products. Made in India, made for India, maintained in India. And this initiative by IIT Madras through Bodhan AI is a product which is a ChatGPT equivalent of or Gemini equivalent of your daily usage in education. This is made in India, hosted in India, only for education. The data will not go outside India. And there is no profit motive here. There is no other motive here except helping education system. That is why we are here to make this AI literacy, and we are on a mission to train 1 million teachers, that is 10 lakh teachers in AI literacy, at least 1 person in every school, in government schools especially, in AI. This is our brief background, why we are here. Now, I'm going to show you something. You can follow it and then you can start using it. In the meantime, I will start giving some of the important things to you. Okay. Now, I'm going to share my screen. Hope my screen is visible. Hope my screen is visible to you. All of you, what you can do is go to this site. Don't do a browsing. Go to your browser. Don't do search. In your Chrome browser on your mobile, go to this website, staging.teachers, it's plural, teachers.bodhan.ai. Okay. Go to this website, staging.teachers.bodhan.ai. Don't give any space. Don't use any extra characters. In your browser, Chrome browser, many people try to do a search. Don't do a search. Inside the Google, don't do that. Go to the address bar of the browser at the top. There you type staging.teachers.bodhan.ai. Just stay there. I'll give a minute because a lot of people are trying. In your own mobile phone, if you can take your, or if you are connecting from laptop, open another tab in browser, Chrome browser. Type this in the address bar. You will reach our site. This is like a playground. You can taste education related chat GPT kind of an environment here. I'm going to tell you that. In the meantime, it is not just introduction of a tool. How to use AI efficiently, that is our motto. Those concepts also, we will give it to you. Okay. Now, I'll just give another 30 seconds or so. Please go to this. If you don't get, don't worry. Okay. You will get it, but if you make any any spelling mistakes, or if you are given any extra space, it will not come. But most of you would have got this site by now. I'll wait for the others also to join. Staging.teachers.bodhan.ai. Once you reach, you will reach this site. Okay. This is how it will look. Okay. Get started. This is what it will say. Okay. This is what it will say. I hope many of you would have got this. If you have got, give me a thumbs up. Let me see how many of you have got. Great. Many people have got it. Great. Nice. Once you get in, you say click get started. This is staging.teachers.bodhan.ai. You have to type it at the top. Okay. And then you will get this site. You click get started. Okay. Click get started. Okay. Now you can see this. Okay. Now you can see this one. You will see this site, this page. Don't go below. Don't have to go to email address. Don't type anything. In your mobile phone or laptop or in your tablet, you would have already logged in using Google Gmail IDs. Okay. Currently, we support Gmail IDs. Soon we are going to come with APAR IDs also, so that one ID across India, students and teachers can use. Just wait for another 2-3 minutes. We are going to get you into a magic room. I'll click continue. Once you come to this place after getting started, you'll see here sign in. Click continue with Google. You will see this one. Okay. Now you will choose one of your Gmail IDs. Okay. I choose this Gmail hosted IDs. Okay. Once you get in, first time users, you will not get this page because I have used this again and again. That's why I get this page. For all those people, once you have clicked on that, it will ask you choose the Gmail ID and then submit confirm. You confirm it. Okay, you confirm it. Once you confirm, you will see a page where it will say you may have to sign out for now. Wait till we approve. Something like that. There is a pop-up box it will show. You sign in using your Gmail ID. Okay. It's a very simple process. Pretty much you sign into any application through your Gmail IDs, you sign in. Once you sign in, it will show a pop-up. Our team from Bodhan AI will be approving those things. It will take some time. Okay. Maybe in a minute, maybe within 5 minutes, maybe within 10 minutes, or maybe after this class. Don't worry. Your sign-ins will be approved. You will be able to see the screen. Only after approval, you will be able to see the screen. Okay. Till then, please be patient. Okay. Once you sign in, I'll just stop my screen share. I'll come back to the screen share. I'm going to ask you this question. How many of you are able to sign in? Can you please raise the hands? How many of you are able to sign in? Can you please raise the hands? Oh, a lot of hands are raising. That is very good. That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. It's the same like this. When you join Gemini, it will ask using your Gmail account. Same way in ChatGPT also, you can do your own account. It's like an initial process. It's a 1-minute process. It will be approved. Only after approval, you will see the main screen. It will take some time, but I want to introduce something. First thing I want to tell you is that why we are making this as an India product. Because for Bharat, for India, we have a lot of things in education. We want more people to study. We want more teachers to join, make their job easy, help them. But it should be our product. It should be India product. And the data should be with us. So I would like all the people to come to this site, join, sign up. That's the first thing. It's a free tool. There is no cost associated with this. And it is only for education. This is provided by Government of India. So we don't have to worry. So this is by the government initiative. Another major reason is you would have seen a few weeks back, I don't want to name, one of the AI companies said these AI engines or models are not available outside America. They announced it. It was public. Such things may happen in future if somebody imagine a situation where Google may not do it, but if Google stops maps for 10 days, what will happen? Can you imagine the situation? If an American company, because Google is not American government, it is American company. Don't think that I'm trying to talk negative, but can it happen? If it happens, 10 days, Google Maps not available, businesses will be lost. So many businesses will be lost. So many confusion, so much of confusion will happen. So we want to rely on our own products. For that, we need your support. We need a lot of support from government teachers and all the teachers, in fact. That's why we are doing it. Now, let us get into this product itself. Once you sign up, if it is approved, then and there, you just refresh the screen. For those approval is refreshed, once you sign in, there will be a small pop-up box. What you do is you just refresh it. Okay, refresh it. After you refresh, you will see this kind of a screen. Because as teachers, before the class, in the class, after the class, there are 3 things that we always do. Before the class, we do some preparation. I think a few people are raising, showing thumbs up and claps. That means they got this screen. Their approval got, their sign up got approved. That is very nice to hear. What we want to do is providing ChatGPT kind of a machine, a tool to all our teachers for free, only for education. In this tool, if you ask a question about cinema, it will not answer. Whereas in generic ChatGPT or Gemini, you ask any question, it will answer. So when we come to Bodhan AI Tutorbot, it is fully focused only for education. So we do before the class, in the class, after the class. Before that, I want to give one mantra to everyone. This is very important. The most important thing is teacher is the boss. AI is the das. Teacher is boss. AI is das. Das has several meaning in Hindi and Sanskrit. It may be bhakta, it may be servant, it may be slave, it may be an obedient person. When I say teacher is boss, teacher is in control. It is the teacher who is the master. AI is the servant. AI is the tool. AI is only to help. We are not listening to what AI tells. AI should listen to what we tell. So teacher is in control. That's the first thing that we should always have in our mind. That faith we should have. Now let me ask you a simple thing. For those who got approved, it will ask school name, your name, which grades you are taking, which subjects you are taking. It will ask, just fill whatever you feel as your profile. It's a very simple thing. Again, we guarantee this data is not used for any commercial purpose like showing advertisements. No, this data doesn't go out of our country. This is a government initiative, so we can guarantee that. Once again, we reassure that to all our teachers. Suppose before the class, I just want to come here, there's a prompt. Any command you type, it is called a prompt. You know, people who have used ChatGPT, I go here, hello, I am Nagarajan. I just type and then enter. So I am just getting familiarized with this tool. Okay. So I just go and then type. Now, maybe my internet is bad. Let me switch off my video for some time. Okay. Now, when I go here, it's a prompt. There are good prompts. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I think let me stop my screen and then come back. Give me a second. Okay. I stopped my screen share and let me switch off my video also for some time. Okay. What we try to do is, okay, how to use these tools in a structured way. That's what we want to try to do. Okay. Now, I will show you a few things. Okay. Just a second. I'm sharing my screen now. I'm sharing my screen now. On your left hand side, you would have got this plus button, a new conversation, or this is the menu. I go here and then say, type, create a lesson plan. Okay. Create a lesson plan. In the create a lesson plan, this is a science class, right? So you can choose physics, chemistry, biology. And I have chosen all the grades. Okay. You can choose any grade that you want. Let us say 9th or 10th or 8th. Topics, for example, in 8th, I type lens focal point. Okay, I type 30 minutes or 45 minutes, right? 30 minutes or 45 minutes, whichever, because sometimes usually the classes will be 40 minutes to 45 minutes. Sometimes last 1 hour or something like that, they will say last 2 hours in the school, only 30 minutes or 35 minutes. You would like to plan for only 30 minutes. You can choose this and then click generate. Okay. Coming back, I click generate. I stop my screen share now. Now I come back. What we have done is a very simple thing. Okay. What we have done is a very, very simple thing, that I am going to give a UI. This is my grade. This is my subject. This is my topic. This is the duration. For this, give me a lesson plan. Correct? Give me a lesson plan. This is what I am asking. Okay. This is what I am asking. Right? Are you getting it? Any doubt so far? You can type it in the chat. If you want ask any doubt, you can type it in the chat. Can someone type it? Anyone type it? Any doubt so far before I go? I would like to see the chat, and then you can type it in the chat. Roughly about 400 people are attending today. And then behind each school screen, there may be multiple teachers attending. Okay. A few people are already sending me some chat questions. Okay. I'll wait for the question. Let us give a minute for people to type any questions. Given subject, class duration, give a minute. Yeah, correct. No, I'm not showing the screen. Somebody saying blank screen. No, I'm not sharing the screen now. I'm just showing my video only. Okay. Just showing my video only. Okay. Okay. Is this clear? The very first thing is, what we are trying to do is, I'm just stopping my video. I'm just I'm not sharing the screen. I'm just showing only my video now. I'm not sharing the screen. So first thing what we want to tell people is, even in this one, I have given 8th grade this subject and then a topic for duration. Okay. So there is a, let me do one thing. Let me go to Chat GPT. Okay. I'm going to show my screen, because many people have already told that they have used Chat GPT. So I'm coming to Chat GPT. I copy the same thing. Okay. I have defined 30-minute lesson plan, lens focal point for grade 8 students. Okay. I have not given all these things. Okay. I have not given all these things. Let me give only this thing. Okay. Give a detailed 30-minute lesson plan for lens for grade 8 students. I just enter. When I enter, ChatGPT is thinking, it is giving a 30-minute lesson plan. Light, it is science. It is assuming convex and concave lenses. What prior knowledge, previous knowledge it should do. Materials required. First 5 minutes, what you should do. As a teacher, it is telling the teacher, creating a lesson plan. Okay, creating a lesson plan. That means what a teacher should do. You all know, you are all subject matter experts. You are all experts. You have already taught. You are going to teach many children in the coming days. But this is giving you an additional stuff in terms of a good documentation, a structured approach, and it can be presented to anybody else. And what questions should we ask? Next is 7 minutes. Can I darken the room and then do something and then show some experiment and make them understand? It is giving you a tip. It is like helping the student like a Shishya. And then what kind of a diagram it can generate. Okay, type of lenses. And then important terms, because in our exams also we should write important terms, right, and underline. We tell the students to score marks. Keywords I mean. Then it is giving you the complete information. Where is the usage? Finally, on 3 minutes, ask them simple questions. Okay, ask them something to draw. Okay, then wrap it up. If you want to give any assessment also, this is what ChatGPT gives me. Okay, now I have given a prompt like this. Is it a good prompt? In prompt also, you have got two things. This is what in AI literacy you want to tell. There are good prompts, there are weak prompts, there are strong prompts, there are weak prompts. It is a great tool. AI is very fast. It's a great tool, but it need not be always right. Okay. Rule number 2, always think about this. AI need not be always right. Is this prompt a strong prompt or a weak prompt? Somebody is sending me a message saying that it's a strong prompt. Yeah, grade 8, lens, focal point, very specific, 30 minutes. Somebody said weak prompt. Can be better. Yeah, how can it be better? Can you type it in the chat? Q&A. Excellent. I could see that. See, here I didn't tell what is the board. ChatGPT is for the whole world. It knows that I am logging in from India, Tamil Nadu. If I want to make it very strong, I need to say for CBSE board in India for grade 8 science lens focal point topic, right? Generate lesson plan for 30 minutes class. This is a stronger prompt. Please remember this. Stronger prompt should always have your board, grade, subject. Board is CBSE, grade is 8, subject is science. Topic, subtopic, focal point, and then lens. Topic, subtopic. What do you want? What is the duration? If you also give examples specifically, okay, for India environment. Because if ChatGPT gives, only an American student can understand. What is the point that I teach in Maladi, or if I teach in Vijayawada? If it can give India-based example, it will be easy for me. So please remember this. We should always try to give a strong prompt, stronger prompt, very, very specific. CBSE, India, 8th, right? Because then only from India-based books it will fetch. Whereas in both and AA, we always have this. Everything is only India-based, so we don't have to worry. I will show the tool side by side. I think we are already by 3:55. Okay, we have got only 40 minutes today. We have got about 10 minutes for people to sign up. You'll be continuing this. Okay. Now, if you see here, real life context. Has anyone seen a roadside watch repairer or jeweler using this? A nice example. Many times people will be having that bigger glass, seeing that, especially in jewelry, watch repairing, right? So it makes things bigger to appear bigger. Use a magnifying glass, okay? Then it is giving very specifically India-based examples, and it is giving content from only Indian-based books. So now you could see a difference between the previous one and this one, okay? Teacher tips for CBSE, right? It is giving, okay? The important thing is stronger your prompt, better will be the response from the engine. This is what we need to always in AI. AI is fast, but it need not be always correct. Okay. A quick check, quick summary of today's thing. AI is already here. I just stop my screen. I come back to my video. AI is already here. It is in our daily life. We are using in email, we are using AI. Teacher is boss, AI is thus. AI is only to serve the teacher, not the other way. 3, we have to give the correct, a stronger prompt. We need to make the prompt very stronger. Board, grade, subject, topic, subtopic, duration. We need to very specifically give, otherwise the answer will be very generic. 4th important point, AI is fast. It will help you in documentation. Quickly you can generate lesson plans. Before the class, in the class, after the class, we are going to see. But only thing is, AI need not be correct always. It will be correct most of the times. In ChatGPT also, you'll see the disclaimer at the bottom. ChatGPT may be wrong. Please review, right? We need to be cognizant about that. That means natural intelligence of human beings is first. Artificial intelligence is only secondary. It is only supportive. It is only helping us. Our aim is provide these important things to teachers, provide an India-specific tool, start using it. This is what we want to give. People who have done the sign up, people whose sign up got approved, you can try this on your mobile phone in your leisure time. And again, we have got for these 3 weeks. Today we have given some initial things. From tomorrow onwards, it will be, I think tomorrow is math teachers, day after it is English teachers. We'll be repeating the sessions specifically for their class plans. We'll be covering class plans, worksheets in the class, MCQs, automatic evaluation of answers, everything will be covering. So I would like all of you to encourage your fellow teachers and fellow schools also to join and start using our Bodhan AI tools. It is 3:59 and I will stop my class here. We will meet in the next class. In the meantime, please sign in. Start once it is approved, start using. Enjoy. Thank you. Jai Hind.